Hi everyone, this is Sarah, and today I wanted to show you a really quick video about a painted canvas that I used as a jewelry hanger. So if you've never painted a canvas, it is so easy. Don't overthink it. This is the cheapest canvas available at any Michael's store or whatever. Wood frame on the back, comes white. As my sister would say, open up the package and put the paint on the canvas. There's no prepping, there's no overthinking. If you hate it, you can repaint it. I always thought I would repaint this one, but it's grown on me. And your paint could be anything. It could be house paint you have sitting around. It could be these dollar bottles of paint. It could be the fancier Liquitech ones that come in the tubes. Whatever you have to paint or stencil on, you could use Sharpie paint pens, whatever you want. Don't overthink it. These canvases, you take them, you paint them, they look amazing if you put like a home decor sticker or something you cut with vinyl with your silhouette. I'll show you some of those sometimes if you want. But I want to show you this one because the weather here has turned nice, and this would be kind of a fun project to do outside today. If you're somewhere where it snowed in, then you could do it at your kitchen table, which I'm sure I did. So essentially you put the paint on canvas, let it dry, and then I used the cheapest coffee cup mugs, hooks that I had sitting around. You could probably find cuter ones. You could probably spray paint them. I don't love the gold, but I got my necklaces up. I have cats, so having one of those cute little counter display things, something like that, I don't have the space for it anymore, and my cats would play with it. So this works out pretty good because it hangs on the wall, and it's high enough that they don't bother it at all. And if you take my necklaces and put them somewhere where I don't see them, I'll never wear them. So if you haven't ever put paint on a canvas, I find that I don't do a lot of mixed media stuff in my, well, I don't really do any in my card making, but I like to put paint on my walls and canvases and that kind of stuff. So try it. I mean, seriously, it's like a $5 investment. Maybe with the hooks, you're in it for $10. And then you could customize it to any room in your house. You could make a cute little one for a little girl, and she could hang whatever she has on it. Whatever. I couldn't find anything I liked, and so my sister showed me a bunch of hers, and I just made this. I'm heading out today. I'm going to go to Whimzees. If you're in the Portland area, you should Google Whimzees Beaverton. Whimzees in Beaverton is amazing, and there's a 4-store paper crafting event today. And I think that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. And I probably won't be doing any more snowbird videos because my snowbird went on a shopping spree. So if you have limited supplies and you want me to do something for you, let me know. Before I shut this off, I'm just going to show you so you know my secrets. There are spots where I tried to tap them in with the hammer and it didn't work. So if you have misfires, that's okay. You could take a tiny drill bit or whatever, but I just tapped mine with a hammer and then just ground them in there with a little bit of muscle. It works really good to put a screwdriver through the hook right here, and then you can turn that. It gets harder when there's a bunch of them close together, so that's probably why I had problems. And if you have giant necklaces like this, you might want to leave your hooks farther apart. I put a lot of hooks on there because I needed them, but totally up to you. So I hope you found some inspiration in that idea. Take it, make it your own, and feel free to tell me what you make in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.